I think young girls should consider becoming a scientist because I think it's one of the careers that is really fun, really flexible. It's just a career where you can decide what you want to do, what time you want to go to work.
Being a scientist, you learn a lot about not only just human body, but plants and animals and ecosystem. And every day you just walk around and you just look at things and it's just in a different light because you understand more about what's going on with plants, why are they green and why do they wilt, or when I walk, why am I using the muscles I'm using, It's very enlightening and it opens your eyes a lot more to the world around you.
Especially as a woman of color, you have so many different questions to ask in the field and so many different perspectives that you can bring to science that I think it's a wonderful gift that we have that you should share with everybody. So you should all become scientists.
Your voice is unique and the world needs to hear your voice, and we need to make sure that the world has different voices to listen to and not just the same old people. Because it's cool! It really is. It's so much fun. It's a lot of fun.
I think it's very important. Science is important. Like, we need more women in science. It's just important.
You don't have to be a professional scientist. Like, you don't have to go and get a PhD to be a scientist. You can go and get your bachelor's in biology. You can go and get your master's in physiology, whatever it is, and and go out and teach and become a teacher, and you're still a scientist.
Yeah, will be 10 to the 9 or 10 to the 12 bacteria.
Little dots on the
And I think everybody needs to know a little bit about science just because it's so important and it's really everywhere.
I think science research is important because I think human beings are like naturally curious about how things work and why does it work. So before we go insane asking these questions, there are people who can actually answer them.
So why should you become a scientist? I'm very biased because I think it's an awesome career and I love figuring out things. But if you are a curious person and you really like knowing how things work, or if you like asking questions about the world around you and discovering new things, then I think science is an awesome career. And you, as a woman of color, will bring in a perspective that is very much needed in science. And it'll be a great career for you. And if you enjoy science and math, then I would highly recommend it.